How to sign up for a new account on the Nike app. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to create a new account on the Nike app. First off, you need to download it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have the application, open it up. Now you'll be landed on this page where you have two options. If you already have an account, you can use the sign in button. But if you want to create a new one, just tap on the white sign up button. And now you'll be taken to your web browser where you're going to have to provide your email address. So simply go ahead and enter your email address here, tap on continue, and then here you're going to have to you're going to have to be a Nike member. So you're going to get a code on your email. Just enter your first name, then your last name, and then create a password. Then enter your date of birth. So just enter your date of birth here, and then you can just click on sign up emails for update if you want, and then you can click on the agree to Nike's policy. So let me just enter the code and create a password. It seems like the servers are busy right now, that's why I'm not able to get a code, but you basically have to just enter your code here and then tap on create account. You should be able to create a new account on the Nike app. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.